Hey guys, it's your girl Tashina, your Jamaican yard gal, and I am back in the kitchen today with cabbage. Yes, I am going to make a delicious cabbage recipe, and I'm going to add in some saltfish, otherwise known as catfish, in there. So first, before I get my cabbage all cut up, I'm going to wash this saltfish and let it boil. And then get all the salt out of it. And ready for my cabbage. Not going to use all of it, just a piece. Yeah. So I got my saltfish here. That's the amount I will be using. Wash that. And for anyone who've been watching my video, they know I love hot pepper. So you see, even though this is a vegetable, I need hot pepper in there. So I'll get my hot pepper. Some for my cabbage because I'm going to use the hot pepper to cook my saltfish, and the rest for the cabbage. Put my saltfish on the stove to cook while I get my cabbage ready. So cabbage like this, you can't wash it because look at it, it's just big and round. So maybe the first is cut it in two. Jesus. Looking at two people. And then cut it up just like that. Then thin. You see that, people? Nice and thin. Right. This is rather on the healthier side. And while you're boiling the saltfish, you have to watch it because it boils over. Because of the salt, it likes to boil over. You don't want all that raw in your stove. So while you're doing this, you keep a close eye. You keep a close eye on it. I get my little thing here, so I can wash it and strain it at the same time. See that, guys? And this is a good vegan recipe without the saltfish. All you have to do, just leave out the saltfish. Do everything just the same and just leave out the saltfish. When a saltfish time, then just not put none in there. think I'm just going to use half the cabbage. Not all of it at all. Alright, that's it. So you guys can keep an eye out, but I wasn't keeping an eye out. So that water away, I have different water because I want to get as much salt out as possible. Now I'm going to wash my freshly cut. Look how nice and fine those are. I'm going to wash it, and this is how I wash my vegetable. Add a little bit of vinegar. And a little bit of salt. Rub in it. And then wash it with some cold water. You can too. You can use this little thing. Make sure you get it washed. Take it out, let it drain. Then, rinse my board off. Because to this cabbage, clean off my counter. Get all my stuff that I'm going to be using. Onion. Tomato. All of that. Carrot. I got hot pepper. Some scallion. Pepper. Yellow pepper. Again first. Grab the table, strip it. Strip it onion. Wash it. And this saltfish has a lot of salt. Cook one more time. Alright, pepper, wash, I'm ready. Yeah, the saltfish there, but it's stress me out, get a boil over, and I'm going to stove. You know what's going to miss my kids, because they could have gone watch it to me while I do this. Alright. My yellow pepper. And this is yellow bell pepper. I don't know. I think all these peppers have their own flavor. Hope you guys can see me good. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing perfectly. And guys, please give me a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Yes, a thumbs up would really help. And subscribe, please. Alright, my tomato. Wash those. And just cut them. That look good. I'm gonna ask me more. Say it look really good. Another kitchen smell good. I'm gonna start cooking it. I'm gonna start cook later in. Smell good. What's with the saltfish again? Alright, it done now. This is not the Jamaican saltfish. We just cook it one time and all this out now. The saltfish, yeah? When they put on the salt, I say I love salt, I go just cook no salt and just come like that. With my cabbage, I love to use a lot of tomato. It give it a nice color and a nice taste. I'm not just look, I'm not just take a nice color there, so it just look good. Alright, my scallion. Last but not least. Not really last, but I have more stuff to go in there. Final space for my scallion. And my pepper right there. Cut it smaller. And that's how I prepare my seasoning for my cabbage. And I'm here with my saltfish. Show you how I do my saltfish now. Then we cook, get out the salt. So I'm going to pick this up, take off this, whatever this is, off of there. And then I'm just gonna pick this in little pieces. And you can use any codfish, saltfish, the salted one, because the saltfish is going to give the cabbage some flavor. Ooh, it's a bit on the hot side. So we use one spark. Ooh, look at that, people. Just make more water. So I just want to taste it. Alright, now taste on a piece. That tastes good. Chef always fat, but not me. Can I have my morning routine, which I'm going to show you guys my morning routine, my morning workout. Eat what I like to eat, and I just get up and just work it out. And I show you what I do first thing in the morning before I eat, and that helps with my fat. And now my saltfish is ready. I'm going to get my pot ready and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, I have my pot ready now. And I'm going to let that hot for a minute. And while it's getting hot, guys, please leave me a thumbs up. And subscribe down below. Right there. Right there. Yeah. And hit the notification bell. Right. Good, 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 good. Alright. Add my olive oil. My olive oil. Get my favorite wooden spoon. Let that heat up for a minute. Alright. And I'm gonna go in with my seasoning. My carrots. And trust me, everything can go in with at once. But I am going to wait before I put my tomato. My tomato going last. So, look nice actually. Yes. I need a little bit more olive oil. Alright, that's it. Get that sauteed. Now my seasoning start jumping out of the things. God, guys, that looks so good, guys. Looks so good. Right. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please leave me a thumbs up and give me a comment also. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. So you don't want to miss more delicious recipes to come. Think about the future, guys. Alright, that smells so good. And I'm gonna have my tomatoes. That looks so good. And I'm gonna add a little black pepper. some salt. All right, for the vegans, you guys can just go ahead and add your cabbage. But because I'm not vegan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my saltfish before I have my cabbage. I'm a vegan sometimes. And trust me, you can just have this only. You don't need to add cabbage to this really, you know. But that's the recipe. Look at that, people. Let that simmer for a minute. And then I'm gonna add my cabbage.
Eventually.
Alright. Simmer down. Simmer down, simmer down. Ready for the final and the main stuff, the cabbage. Just gonna grab it and put it in like that. Now worry about the pot. This of cabbage I go shrink. Alright. It's all in there. I'm gonna go and add me a little bit more black pepper. And some more salt. And then I'm going to cover that up. And I'm going to let it steam for 2 minutes. Guys, please guys, give me a thumbs up and this video, and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section below, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. All right. I'm going to mix that up. Mix that up. That smells good. You see people, look there. Just look. Just look for yourself, guys. And guys, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. That would help a lot. And oh no, when it's not hot pepper, it's coconut milk. I am going to add a little coconut milk to this, just to add it a more nicer taste and flavor. See that, people? Jesus. I see this. I open looking, because this just look too good. And what I said about the tomato, oh, the tomato give it a nice color and a nice flavor and everything. Right. All up in my pot. All up in my pot today. Yes, guys. And then some coconut milk. And also a little bit of butter. Then cover that up to simmer some more on low medium heat. You don't want to burn up your food. And I am not in a hurry. That smells so good. All right, guys, I'm going to give it 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna open it up and see what's going on in there. All right, guys, it's all done, and it smells good, and it tastes good too. Yes, guys, it tastes good. Me know, because me taste it. Wow, look at that. And it's done, guys. And I do not like my cabbage to be soft. I like it on the crunchier side. So that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more video, guys. Give me a thumbs up. You try this recipe, you leave me a comment. Let me know you tried and let me know what you think. Yes, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And hit the notification bell. Yes. Right there on the bottom of your screen. Yes. Hit the bell. That smells so good. Okay, guys. Time to eat. Bye.